Hello everyone. Today, we will be learning some English vocabulary related to animals. Dog. The dog is barking. Cat. The cat is sleeping. Horse. The horse is running. Chicken. The chicken lays eggs. Pig. The pig is in the mud. Sheep. The sheep has white wool. Cow. The cow gives milk. Goat. The goat is eating grass. Elephant. The elephant is very big. Snake. The snake is long and thin. Monkey. The monkey is climbing a tree. Tiger. The tiger has orange and black stripes. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. Fish. The fish swims in the water. Rabbit. The rabbit has long ears. Parrot. The parrot can talk. Tortoise. The tortoise walks very slowly. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.